Hi everyone, in this lecture you will learn how you can use image tag in HTML and how to make a clickable image in HTML. So I have created a new separate file with the name tude-5.html, and first of all let's create here the basic HTML structure. Then we have head tag, and after head tag we have title, and I'll say images in HTML. And after head tag we have our man body tag. Now inside this man body tag, first of all let me write here an h1 heading, and I'll say image. Okay, and after this h1 tag you just need to write img, which stands for image. Hit enter, and first of all you need to define your image source and then the alternative text if browser faces any kind of issues while displaying your image. So this will be the alternative text which will be displayed in the image placeholder. So first of all we need to import our image. So just right click on this explorer area and just click on this reveal in file explorer. Here just right click and paste your image. This is my image. I'll rename it to something like image maybe. Okay, hit enter. Now let's open, just minimize it, and here is my image. Okay, so this is a cool png image, and here in the source I'll say img image dot png, and then the alternative text will be a cartoon computer. So this will be the alternative text, and here as you can see that this image tag does not require any kind of closing tag. It is just like br tag, hr tags, which also don't require any kind of closing tag. So let's save it and let's refresh it, and here you go, we got our image, but it is quite big. As you can see, this is our heading and this is our image, and it is quite big, so we need to reduce its size. So just write here width width is equals to, and let's go with something like 400, and then height is equals to, and just to go with 400 as well, and let's save it back. And yeah, now our image is small. So let's suppose that if browser faces any kind of issues while displaying this image, so let me change this image name here so that browser couldn't find it. So let's save it back, and as you can see this is our alternative text, a cartoon computer. So as you can see right here we have written this. Oops, it's not double t, it's double O. Okay, so let's save it, and yeah, now a cartoon computer. So this is the alternative text if your browser faces any kind of difficulty while loading this image. So let's change name back to image, and yeah, we got our image back. Currently this image is not clickable. Okay, it's a simple dimple image, and we need to make it clickable. Whenever user clicks on this, we need to redirect the user to some other page or to some other website. So in order to make it a clickable image, we just need to put this image tag inside an anchor tag. So let me cut it and just write here a for anchor tag, and then the hyper reference for this will be again something like https double dash www.google.com. Okay, so this will be my hypertext, and now instead of writing here a text, I'll paste my image tag. So let's paste this image tag, and now let's save it. So here the content of this anchor tag is this image. Okay, and now as you can see our image is clickable, so let's click it, and here we go, we got our google.com website. And you can actually put your gif files as well. Reveal in file explorer again, and let's paste our gif file, and this is dog gif is my gif file. So let's write here now instead of image Let's write here dog.gif. Let's save it back, and here we go, we got our gif file. So as you can see, it is a gif file and our dog is running. Basically the quality is not that much good. And now you can also put here links as well. So let's suppose that this is the link of this gif file. So instead of downloading it, you can directly put the link right here. So let's put this link, let's save it back, and yeah, we got our GIF again. This time, instead of using the downloaded file, our browser is using this online link. So I hope that you have understood all of these things, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.